Welcome to my world. The real collusion delusion. Target American citizens. This is a warning. My true story is simply unbelievable. What happened to me should never have happened in the USA. This is not a banana republic. I'm an American citizen. On 4/16/2010, I was in Washington, D.C. at Union Station. I had some time, so I decided to take a tour on an open-top double-decker tour bus. The tour lasted around 2.5 hours. In about the middle of the trip, all of a sudden, on my left side, I see an all-black Apache helicopter coming straight for the bus. It flew right over where I was sitting. The helicopter was literally right above the treetops. It stopped on the right side, did a threatening maneuver, then it flew off. It was not way up in the sky, just flying by. It did this, and then flew off. It did that and then flew off. This was in my face. It scared me very much. Days before that trip, I received my first audit letter. So I was already on a list. I reported the helicopter incident to the FBI 3 months after it happened. Recently, I put out on Facebook and Twitter that Obama was a brilliant bully. Not the smartest thing I've ever done. Not surprisingly, my life was threatened. Obama blocked me on Twitter for a day or so. I was delusional at the time. Let me be clear. I was not in my right mind when I did that. I later apologized, realized I am delusional for believing what I believe to be true. I realized I can't blame Obama for something he had no knowledge of. I blamed him for all these years due to he being our president when it happened. I feel that wouldn't have happened had his leadership been different. I apologized in part due to fear. Someone posted on Twitter Obama's legacy, and they tagged my Facebook page. Yeah, that freaked me out, I admit. I don't want to be the one. I don't want to be that person. There were lots of scare tactics going on and continue to go on. I am who I am, but this isn't all about me. It's about us. We, the people of the United States of America. No, really, wake up. We have the power. If you don't like Trump, this is still very important. This is about freedom and liberty. This is about the deep state spying on American citizens. Could it be the NSA? I heard Glenn Beck said the NSA has access to black helicopters. What departments in our government have access to Apache helicopters? How could I go on and not share this story? I believe my story can prove abuse of power within our government. The media ignores me and pretends I don't exist. I don't expect everyone, or even most people, to believe me. The truth shall set us free. This is no banana republic, or is it?